Now let's focus on the CDMO space. Kotak has come out with an initiating coverage on the space. Vinnii is now going to tell us what they're saying, what their thesis is, and what are their top ideas in the space. Vinnii, over to you.
So yes, in terms of the note that has come in from Kotak, they've initiated coverage on 3 specific stocks in the CRDMO space. That is Piramal Pharma, then we have Syngene as well as Sai Life Sciences. Now for Piramal as well as Syngene, they've initiated coverage buy rating. For Piramal Pharma, target price 300 rupees, Syngene target price is 700 rupees. For Sai Life, it's a reduced rating, but a target price is 875 rupees per share. Key factors that they think will pay out for this segment and sector, especially the CDMO side, is one, the rising R&D outsourcing business from innovators from across the globe. That may continue. They expect that to see a further rise. And do not forget, India surely will be benefiting from this because of the shift that is coming in terms of the supply chain from China towards India side. So that is one benefit there. They expect the CRDMO segment actually and the market to quadruple in the next decade. An important one there. Supply chain rejig, like I was mentioning, a gradual improvement in terms of funding that we've seen, as well as niche tech is something that is driving the growth and will drive the growth for the company over the next few years. Other than that, in terms of the base case also, the shift that we're seeing in terms of China, what Kotak is saying is that at least India will be able to capture that 30% of the demand shift that they may see from China will come to India. So that is still going to be a very huge amount in terms of the opportunity that comes in for Indian players. Now, in terms of Piramal Pharma, they're expecting a revenue growth of around 13% over the next 4 years. Syngene around growth is around 14% is what they're seeing, while Sai Life is a 17% growth over the next 4 years is what they're watching out for. In terms of valuation, they still believe that Piramal Pharma is much better valued versus a Syngene or Sai Life, and Piramal Pharma is still much lower valued even when you compare it to global peers. So that is why it's a much more of an interesting bet coming in for Kotak in terms of Piramal Pharma, then Syngene and Sai Life.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Vinnii. Well, let's get in.